a cost-effective air quality index monitoring system using ESP8266 NodeMCU. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Konark Sharma. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of a cost-effective IoT-based real-time air quality index monitoring system using ESP8266 NodeMCU from Vivek, Nishant Pal and Mukul Sehgal. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand about the basic overview of a cost-effective IoT-based real-time air quality index monitoring system using ESP8266 node MCU. So, let's get it started.
KONARK'S research. Subscribe now.
Hello everyone, my name is Mukul Sehgal.
Hello everyone, my name is Nishant Pal.
Hello everyone, my name is Vivek.
My team is excited to present our project on air quality monitoring system that seamlessly combines IoT hardware with a modern web platform to track and report real-time air quality index.
As you all know, in cities like Delhi, where pollution levels often exceed safe limits, awareness is the first step towards protection. But most people don't have access to real-time, hyperlocal air quality data. That's where our solution comes in. It provides live air quality index readings visible both on the device and through a responsive online dashboard.
We have made this system with both user-friendly and simplicity in mind. It is compact, easy to set up, and capable of running continuously while sending reliable data to the cloud. This project is not just about building community. It is more about empowering communities with the information they can act on.
I focused on the overall architecture, deployment, testing, and impact analysis, making sure everything worked smoothly and was user-friendly. This clear division helped us work in parallel and bring together the hardware and software components efficiently.
I handled the hardware design and integration, setting up the microcontroller, connecting the sensors, and ensuring the data was captured correctly.
I took charge of the software side, building the web platform using Next.js, creating the backend APIs, and integrating the database to store and visualize air quality index data.
Let me briefly walk you through the hardware we have used in our air quality monitoring project. At the heart of our setup is ESP8266 microcontroller. It connects all our components and handles Wi-Fi communication to upload the data to our website in real time. For collecting gaseous pollutants, we have used MQ135 gas sensor. It can sense harmful gases like carbon dioxide, ammonia, benzene, and smoke, giving us a broad idea of air quality in terms of chemical pollutants. To measure particulate matter, we are using PMS5003 sensor, which provides accurate reading of PM1.0, PM2.5, and PM10. These are fine particles suspended in the air that can seriously affect our respiratory health. The sensor uses laser scattering technique to count the particle in air, and it is well known for reliability and precision. We also included an OLED display to show the readings. Instead of crowding the screen, we are displaying values like CO2, PM1.0, PM2.5 and PM10 one by one in rotating manner on the screen, making it readable and user-friendly. All these sensors are connected to ESP8266, which not only reads and processes the data but also uploads it to our cloud server. The system is powered by a simple USB supply, making it compact and portable. This setup allows us to monitor air quality in real time, both visually on the display and remotely via through our website.
Now that the hardware part is explained by Vivek, we are moving to the software side. The software side was built using Next.js, a modern React-based web framework that makes deployment fast and scalable. Here's how our system works. The ESP8266 sends sensor reading to our backend API. We used MongoDB to store the data with timestamps in our backend. The frontend fetches this data and displays it through interactive charts along with the color-coded AQI levels following standard guidelines. Our site is mobile friendly, so users can check air quality on the go. We have added features like live updating dashboards and also historical trends to monitor air quality over time. We have also used AI for precaution generation and what to do in case the AQI is high. We have now the software makes the data meaningful and actionable for everyday users. So this is our site that we have created and named as Breathe Safe, which we have deployed on Versa Lab. On this site, we have this landing page on which we can add location. We have already added 2 locations, one is NSUT and one is Vijbashan. We get latitude and longitude from the hardware. Now, if you want to check the AQI of NSUT, we have to just click on it and we will get the data for the last 30 days of AQI which we get from our hardware on this web page. Now, if you want to just check the AQI on the particular day, for example, we have to check the AQI on Wednesday, we just have to click on it and it will show us this page. On this, we can see on this graph that CO2 level, PM 2.5 level, PM 110 level and PM 1.0 levels. We can see the color which is standard, which is the standard we have used for warning. We have this graph which shows the data with time. Now the main part of this is we have used AI to generate precautions. For example, let's see this. On clicking on the get generate using AI, it generates precautions based on the last 10 data we have get. This is the precautions we have get from the AI. For this we have used Gemini API. Now what to do for the better future, we can also generate this by using AI on clicking on this button. Now it's generating. This is what to do for better future. And that's it.
Thank you, Nishant and Vivek. Now that you have covered the technical aspects, I would like to share why this project truly matters and the real world impact it can have. Air pollution is a serious but often invisible threat. In many cities, especially in developing countries, air quality can drop drastically without warning. People often have no idea about when it's safe to go outside, when to wear a mask, or when to turn on an air purifier. That's exactly the problem our system addresses. By providing real-time air quality data accessible through simple web platform, we empower individuals, families, and even communities to make safer, more informed decisions about their environment. What makes our system special is that it's not just accurate, it's also affordable, portable, and scalable. Unlike commercial solutions that are expensive and hard to deploy, our device is compact, easy to install, and requires only Wi Fi and power to function. This makes it useful for a variety of settings, from schools and homes to workplaces or busy intersections. Whether you are a parent checking if it's safe for your kids to play outside or a city official monitoring pollution hotspots, our systems can make a real difference. Looking ahead, we plan to enhance it with more sensors like temperature, humidity, and CO, alerts and notifications when air quality drops. A network of devices that create live pollution maps across neighborhoods or cities. Ultimately, we believe this project is a step forward toward environmental awareness and smarter living. It combines technology with a purpose, helping people stay informed, stay safe, and take control of their health. Thank you for listening. We are proud to share our work.
Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
KONARK'S Research. Subscribe now.